IntellaSphere has key functional areas to help you with customer engagement, content posting, community building and communications, connection CRM management, prospects and leads generation, marketing campaigns, reputation building, marketing performance reporting and analytics. But note that some IntellaSphere additions do not include all functionality areas. There are also 3 other important areas to be aware of: settings, help, which is also known as the start wizard, and notifications. In the settings area, you can connect to all of your social media channels, your blog, and Google Analytics. The help area, or the start wizard, can be accessed from any page. Within help, you can view a variety of training videos pertaining to each functional area. The help area contains FAQs and provides access to customer support. You'll notice that IntellaSphere also has downloadable mobile apps to help you market your business while on the go. From any page, the Start button will link you here to the Start Wizard, which asks you, how do you want to grow your business today? You may choose from this list below. If you click on Engage Prospects and Customers, you'll see a number of ways to engage customers. You can create and distribute promotional offers, promote an event, obtain customer feedback or business reviews, create poll questions, surveys, and newsletters. By clicking on any of these options, for example, promote an event, you are then taken to the next step in the creation process. If you click on Content Marketing, you'll see that you can create and share social media posts, create and publish blog articles, schedule all of your posts in the Content Planner, and more. The Start Wizard will also help you to create marketing campaigns, build your community, find leads and prospects, and much more. Now, I'll familiarize you with some of IntellaSphere's key functional areas. We'll start with the Customer Engagement Lab. The Engagement Lab enables you to build brand awareness by promoting events, creating promotional offers, newsletters, polls, surveys, obtaining customer reviews or feedback, sending bulk emails for your business, and more. Once you create any of these engagement widgets, they get saved in the All or Active Engagement section, and then they can be shared via social networks, sent via email, or placed on your website. The Posts Lab is where you'll create, post, and view your published content across social media channels including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, your blog, and many others. Creating posts across channels is easy. You can create social posts, video posts, blog posts, and more. The Communications Lab enables you to build your online community, as well as receive notifications and messages. Here you can see who is engaging with your business on each of your social channels. For example, who is connecting, liking, sharing or retweeting, commenting, activating coupons, providing customer reviews, responding to poll questions, and more. The Connection CRM Lab focuses on the people that you are connected with or engaging with, as well as those that are influencing or mentioning your business. In this lab, you may import and manage all kinds of lists, including customer, contacts, leads, newsletter subscribers, followers, lists, and more. IntellaSphere makes it easy to nurture your leads through the lead management process in the Leads Lab. Here, you can view, track, and manage prospects and leads of prospective customers. Different lead sources have different lead management processes. For example, you can manage leads from social media, website inbound leads, or uploaded leads. In the Marketing Campaigns Lab, you can create and launch drip email campaigns, Twitter DM campaigns, and multi-channel campaigns that include email, social media, and other types of campaign engagement mechanisms. Once you launch your marketing campaign, you can track the results in IntellaSphere's analytics area. To learn more about reputation building and monitoring for your business or brand, go to the Reputation Lab. This lab is where you'll find any completed customer reviews and feedback forms. IntellaSphere searches for and displays mentions of your company or brand on social networks and the web. The Reputation Lab helps you know how your company or brand is perceived by enabling you to do what's called sentiment analysis, which is in essence scoring what people are saying about various areas of your business as positive, negative, or neutral. The analytics area is where you receive marketing guidance and can monitor your company's marketing performance. The guidance area gives you a quick snapshot of how you're doing against your weekly moving average and provides weekly suggestions on how to improve your company's marketing performance. Numerous other analytics reports help you view your channel activity, key engagements, and much more. There's obviously a lot you can do with IntellaSphere's brand affinity marketing system. To get started using IntellaSphere, sign up for a free trial today. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about IntellaSphere and how it can help you improve your marketing results and grow your business.